Enjoyed it, huh?
Yeah.
Feeling the power.
So, do you want me to walk towards bike?
Yeah, actually. Yeah, come here, Jen. So, yeah, that's action. Alright, Jenya, and cut. Nice, awesome. Good job. I want to show it this angle, and then you will stop here behind the bike and do your
So,
poses.
poses here, then go. You will tell me what to do.
I will tell you. First, I'll be staying here. Do your poses. Let me see how you're gonna do it. So I do. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Just stay leaning on the door, and then just move your elbows, your arms,
Okay.
but don't move your body. Just
Okay.
stay touching the door. When I say walk, you will be walking, following me.
Okay.
Right, action. Alright, so now you walk slowly. And then you stop. Then cut. Can we do it again, Jenya? I captured Ray on the film. Can you do some when you're doing your poses and you're gonna do some circling around turn? Can you do
Okay.
that?
When I will be walking, or when I come?
Before you walk.
Before, okay.
Can you do it? I want to see it. then you will walk after the turn. Alright?
So first the door, or you want the door?
We're done with it.
Okay.
You're now facing me.
Okay.
Action. Then give the facial reaction that you're about to rev the bike.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Action.
Perfect.
And a bunch of them went to like Europe and shit.
To make money. Now they come back and
It's actually, there are no rush to get back to Europe.
Blinged out?
All right, well, let's check it out for next year. We'll double up on it. That way we'll flip, someone will sleep on the floor. Well, it's going to be expensive. But we could take the ferry over that one. Yeah, but we got to book them now, otherwise it's going to be...
My overhead for work was like $3 grand a year.
Okay, you just pay for your flight. If I was a millionaire, I'd be at the Isle of Man.
Such a nice bike, man.
Thanks, bro.
Such a nice bike.
Is that yours?
Huh?
Is that yours?
No, no. I had one before.
Oh, okay.
I sold it to my friend.
Yeah, these, well, the Ducatis have always been this fucking material. Mine suck. In fact, mine sucked. Not only that, they were low. Up here, one of the left-handers on the stock ones, I put my boot down. The only scratch I have on my boot right here. When I had
My boot on that turn.
yeah, look at it. It was full 90.
So where are you?
As soon as I did that, I fucking went and bought aftermarket for mine. I put them all the way up.
I like it, dude. Oh, he's got
Yeah. Well, yeah, you can tell it's a lot thicker. That's why
Yeah.
the cover is different because the pipe is.
So, well, look at this one.
Yeah, it's all.
How much you do that exhaust?
So he's got slip-ons. He's got a full system. Yeah. For a full system, no. On mine, the full system, Terminone was like $600. The slip-ons were 13.
Only rich guys have this.
Yeah, I don't have one of these. This is more expensive. Remember mine when I bought it was only $15,000, which is still expensive.